Welcome to the topic on app building templates with Angular's template syntax. In this session, we'll explore Angular's powerful template syntax, which allows you to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces for your web applications. 1. Introduction to Angular's template syntax. Angular's template syntax is based on HTML, but it is enhanced with additional features that make it more expressive and powerful. With Angular's template syntax, you can declaratively define the structure and behavior of your application's user interface. 2. Interpolation. Interpolation is one of the key features of Angular's template syntax. It allows you to embed expressions into your templates using double curly braces. These expressions are evaluated by Angular, and their results are displayed in the rendered template. 3. Property binding. Property binding allows you to bind the value of a component's property to an HTML element's property or attribute. It is denoted by square bracket and enables you to set dynamic values for HTML properties. 4. Event binding. Event binding is another powerful feature of Angular's template syntax. It enables you to respond to user interactions, such as clicks, key presses, and form submissions. Event binding is denoted by parentheses and allows you to associate an event in the template with a method in the component. 5. Two-way data binding. Two-way data binding is a combination of property binding and event binding. It allows you to establish a two-way communication between the component and the template. It is denoted by square brackets and parentheses with the ng model direct. 6. Directives. Angular's template syntax supports directives, which are markers on a DOM element that tell Angular to attach certain behavior to that element. Directives are denoted by square brackets, and they can be either built-in directives provided by Angular or custom directives created by you. 7. Structural directives. Structural directives are a special type of directives that change the structure of the DOM. They are denoted by an asterisk before the directive name. Some common structural directives are ngf, ngf, ngs. 8. Template reference variables. Template reference variables allow you to capture a reference to a DOM element or directive in your template and use it in your component's code. Template reference variables are denoted by a hash, followed by a variable name. 9. Template expression operators. Angular's template syntax includes several operators that you can use in template expressions, such as arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. These operators enable you to perform various calculations and evaluations in your templates. Summary. Angular's template syntax is a powerful tool that allows you to build dynamic and interactive user interfaces for your web applications. By using interpolation, property binding, event binding, two-way data binding directives, structural directives, template reference variables, and template expression operators, you can create expressive and feature-rich templates that enhance the user experience.